Hey folks, how y'all doing? Welcome back. An old man in the land of grills. We're inside the house because we got another grill for inside the house. This is, oh man, a Gray Smokey Joe Premium. Folks, this is a European model. And I just happened upon this. It was one of these things where it was there, Facebook Marketplace, and I said, oh, I gotta have that. And I got her. So we're gonna show you how we put it together. And I actually give you a little tour of all the Smokey Joes we got on the house here. Keep on watching, folks. All right, I just thought I'd show you this. This is, look at all this. Weber Stevens products, Weber, the silhouette, the kettle configuration, Smokey Joe are registered U.S. trademarks of Weber Stevens products. East Daniels, Road, Palatine, Illinois, designed and engineered by Weber in Palatine, Illinois. Made in the USA. All right. Incorporating globally sourced component parts. Huh. What does that mean? All right, you wanted a tour. So there's the oldest one I've got. That is a early 70s Smokey Joe. Wooden legs. Wow, that is really cool. Brand new. Brand new. We've got new in the box right there. That's 91. You can see the little one we've got there. That was actually, you're going to say, where'd you get that from, Tom? Well, that was actually a florist type arrangement that they sold to people that made flower arrangements, and it was plastic lined, and the liner came out and you could put flowers in there. You can see my Smokey Joe pending stuff there. There's, there it is, new in the box. Homer Simpson, tell you what, that is cool. There's the Gray, and there's another, that's a early 80s Smokey Joe. And then let's, hang on. We'll put the fork for a second. Let's come around here. We've got some other in the middle there, that's early 90s. And then we've got the lime green and the copper right there. So that's the collection. Only new ones, never used before, come in the house. All right, there it is out of the box. Oh man, look at that Gray. Oh, that is really nice. And it is an AH model. Very, very nice. First thing that struck my mind is look at how close. This is the charcoal gray. Look at that. I have never seen a charcoal gray with the bars so close together as it is on this one. That is, that's wild. And then that's for to catch your ash. That is, that's cool. They make them really nice for the European people. And then they give you this little, this thing, dog bowl. No, I think it's for scooping up charcoal and putting it in. I don't know what else you would use it for. But overall pretty cool. Look at all the different languages. Holy cow. That's, I can't speak any one of those. So what do you do before you put your Smokey Joe together? Oh yeah, you polish it. Folks ask me all the time, what do I use? This stuff has been around forever. Gel gloss. And I'll tell you what, it does a phenomenal job. And in between cooks and that, it'll get the grease off too. Good stuff. All right, so in this premium model, your air holes are on the side there, which is really, really strange. And then your ashtrays are actually inside the grill. And they sit on top of your wing nuts there. And I actually had problems with one of them. They were stripped. They're really kind of hard to get in, especially that one right there. It was almost as if it was made in like, I don't know, China. So this lid catch, actually, this Smokey Joe actually has a lid catch. And there's your vents right there. It attaches with the lid catch. And that's how you open or close them. It's a pretty cool concept. And that's how your charcoal grates. I'm still blown over how close those are to each other. That's amazing. And then obviously your ashtray fits below that, and that little thing there is a finger hole, so you can get your finger in there and take it out. Obviously, don't do that when it's hot. All right, lid is on there. I'll tell you what, this is it's a slick looking grill right there. You know what I'm disappointed in? For a premium model, they don't have that little thing that goes on here, so that isn't get hurt by the heat. You would think, and I went through the instruction, I went through the box thinking, I gotta be missing it. You would think they'd have that on there. I mean, they make these every day in China, don't they? All right, folks, there it is in the collection. Oh man, looking mighty nice, mighty nice. Folks, I hope you enjoyed this. Tom Horseman on YouTube, thumbs up, leave a comment, as always. Appreciate you watching.